Good morning, everyone. This is Saturday, November 20th, your makeup class for the class that we will not have on November 24th. Today is on demand, as I was telling you in class, so it's optional. You can come into this Zoom room if you want to, and I'll be there to answer any questions you have for the first 20 minutes of class. Okay. Otherwise, you can always message me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay, as I said before, you have your class 6 textbook task answers video here. That'll be available anytime you want now because it was available from November 18th. The answers for the class 7 textbook task answers, and today is class 7, that will be available after the deadline for this one. Okay, for the actual homework that you have to do. So this is due tomorrow at 11 o'clock, then, excuse me, and then this one is due on the Wednesday that we're actually going to meet. Not due, it's going to be available on that Wednesday. So please make sure that you check this. Okay, as I said to you before, you're going to have an extra assignment today to help make up for the time that we will not spend doing fluency exercises. And this is a website that I made myself called Goldfish 365. Okay, now if you read here, okay, I'm going to read this out to you. This is what it says. Please read the article at the link below. Here's the link below that I was talking about. It is a conversation between Jose Cruz and one of his students. There is an MP3 recording of the conversation to listen to if you wish. Then the rest of the instructions. When you are finished, please write a 100 to 120 word. Again, this is important. Look at that word. Okay, it says word comment below the conversation. So if you click on this link, it will take you to this URL. Okay, this URL over here. Sorry, this one. And it's the title of the conversation is called Coming Home. And this is a dialogue between me and my student, Ayaka Tanaka. So what we did was we sat down, we did a conversation, I recorded it, and then after the recording was finished, I typed out all of the things that we said, and I put it here as an article. And if you want, you can play the MP3 here, okay, that will play for you. And you can read this whole article. There's a picture of Ayaka there. Okay, and make sure that you understand it. Now, when I say that you have to write a 100 and 120 word comment, scroll down past the conversation. Okay, go past the conversation. See here where it says submit a comment, and you can type in here. Now, you can write any kind of comment you want as long as it's around 120 words. So look at this. This is, sorry. This is 4 words. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not by characters, it's by the number of words. This is 4 words. Now, I chose this one because it doesn't have any comments in it yet, but I want you to write a 100, 120 word comment. If you're writing this a little bit later, you're going to find a lot of comments here, but I want you to write in your name, your email, and you don't have to put in any website or anything like that. But you have to write in your email and your name. Don't worry, I'm the only one that sees your email. This is just for security purposes to make sure that you don't have any spammers or hackers trying to write in comments here. Okay, now this is what you want to do as part of your, here it is, as part of your additional exercises today. Okay, then don't forget you have a reading quiz, and that's due November 25th. Okay, here's your important person thing walking video that is itself not due until December 16th, but this is the assignment that you will submit it to, and you can start thinking about it and start practicing for it. Don't forget about the rules for making a walking video, and we'll talk a bit more about this after we come back on December 9th. Okay, again, if you have any questions, don't forget that you have an optional Zoom room that you can come and talk to me to, and you always have my email. Okay, thanks very much. Have a good Saturday.